What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ebony SHEREE, and we are back again. Still January for I don't know, maybe hour or so left, and then we'll be poof gone with the first month of 2018. I'm like, was that fast? Is it just me? Was that fast? I mean, in January, 31 days. And it kind of felt hella long, but you know, that's neither here nor there. I bring you great tidings this evening or morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. I bring you some holiday haulage. So, if you want to see what I got for Christmas, keep on watching. Alright, so, you stuck around. Let me get into it. BH Cosmetics. Now, once upon a time, a few months ago, Ebony SHEREE thought she was going to be a full-fledged professional makeup artist. Now, do I still have those dreams? Maybe 6 to 8 weeks later? Kinda, sorta. I don't know. People have told me I'm good at it or great at it, but I don't know. I still got some little hang-ups, some little fear, confidence issues, but I'm gonna push through. We're gonna push through in 2018. So if you want to rock with me, get at me. So to that effect, I thought I would start my kit. So I wanted to get a few things to set your girl up. You know, some goodies, some goodies. So I got some palettes from BH Cosmetics. So we got here the Contour Palette Studio Pro Edition, which is, looks pretty good. It reminds me of the first one I got from them like a long time ago when they first, I don't want to say when they first launched their company, but it was a good minute ago. Like when I first got into makeup. Like I wasn't even on this channel got into makeup. It was like another channel. I ain't gonna say what that is. You know, True Blues know what the name of that channel is. So, you know, if you want to know the name of that, which is still up, by the way, drop a comment below. So, we got here some, what is this, the contour palette? Look at these shades, y'all. I need a yellow, too, because I ran out of my banana powder, and, yeah, I'm missing that. So, that looks good, affordable, easy to, you know, transport. It's not nice and flat. So, we also have the Nude Blush Palette, also from BH Cosmetics. Cosmetics, did I say cosmetics? Y'all heard that? See, look, I'm not drinking today. I'm not drinking. I'm not drinking what you think I'm drinking. I'm drinking an energy drink. Hello. Courtesy of my boy at work because he had a good deal on these bad boys from 7-Eleven, so he, you know, dropped one off to your girl. And I don't normally drink energy drinks, but y'all wanted this video tonight? That's what happened. So, all this stuff sliding off my lap here. Ooh, it's a nice little sleek cover. I mean, this is similar, except it's just black, but that's nice. So we got here. I have never even opened these two, by the way. Oh, ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that pink. Those pinks and those nudes, those mauves and those peaches. Ooh, look at this right here. That's a highlight. That ain't even a blush. They lied to us. That's a highlight right there. So, those are super cute. So, we're going to put these back. I'm going to get into this little case at the end, by the way. I got this from the Crayon case. Now, this could be like a, I don't know, Instagram. What is going on with the hair? I need to get this out of the way. I need to work this out, work this together. Let's work. Let's do something with the locks. All right. Okay. As I was saying, Crayon case. Found them on Instagram. They looked pigmented, and they look pigmented. They do. And when you swatch them, they are. However, I used this palette in my first video of 2018, which is an African New Year, and I used the red and the yellow and this color here. As you see, I got some red inside this way, and they were very powdery and not as pigmented as I would have hoped. However, I'm not salty because it was affordable. I still pushed through and I made it work. So if you have some good bases and you know how to pat and pack shadow as opposed to windshield wiper swiping motion, you can still get the look that you want. It may take a little bit more effort, but thinking caps. Thinking caps, ladies. Next, Sephora Pro palette. This thing is heavy. This looks like a weapon. Like, look at all the shades you get up. Oh, they have names too. I'm hoping that the names are on the palette because your girl ain't keeping this box. So let's pray. If you got this palette, leave me a comment. Better yet, if you have this palette, leave me a comment with a video of you using this palette or some pictures. Hello? Because I've heard great things about this. Alright. Ooh, I just dropped something. Dimensional Smoky Eyes. Oh, they got little how-tos in this thing. Look at this, y'all. Look. What? Oh. They taking us to school. Look at this. Look at this. You know, if I wasn't looking correct, it looks like a periodic table of makeup. They got look 1, look 2, look 3, naturalized smoky eyes, defined smoky eyes, and dimensional smoky eyes. So they got tutorial inside the makeup palette. They ain't playing. This thing is really heavy. This is like, God. Oh, son. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Do you see this? Do you see this? As Jessie Wu would say, sisters, do you see this? Oh, and they do have the names. Oh, now see, they jipped us because they know they could have spent some more coin and put these names right on side this. I'm keeping this. Seriously. I'm gonna keep this though. I'm gonna try my best. Cause I want to know the names of this. Ooh, girl. I'm using this. I'm using this. Next tutorial, I'm using this. So, not keeping this. All my little boxes is going on the floor because they're going in the trash. So, in ordering all these goodies at Sephora, you get free goodies. And one of my free goodies was this little cosmetic bag. Isn't that cute? So, I'm going to open this up, but I'm not going to go through all these little thingamajigs that I got in here because they're samples. And, you know, I love a good sample, but I ain't about to be going through all of this. See, it's too much work already just trying to open this up, so we can go ahead and cancel that whole thing. So, just know I got a bag, and it's cute. Color Peasy. Now, you know, I rock a matte lip damn near all the time. Except for tonight, because I'm rocking the Mariah Carey collection by MAC. And this is, what is this? I can't even see with these lights. I Get So OOC. And that is what I have on top of my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. See, I can't get away from the matte. I tried. I really did. But this is Abu Dhabi. So I put like 3 coats of that on. Second guessed it. Put this on, which is no, this is Can. I was like, nah, I don't like that either. So I put this on top. So I got like 3 variations and stuff. So back to ColourPop. New lip trio that I got from them. called You're a Gem. How cute is that? And these are Misbehaving, Charming, and Catching Feels. Ooh, no. I forgot what these look like. It's been so long since I ordered them. Those are cute. Tell me those aren't cute. Look at those colors. Gorgeous. I could have worn this one tonight. This would have matched. This would have matched. I feel so weird at an angle with you guys because I'm trying to show and tell. But yeah, these are cute. And I like the packaging, the gold. See, I'm used to the silver, if y'all can see it up there. I'm used to the silver. So this is cute. That back. So we got some lippies. What else, kids? What else, kids? Brushes. BH Cosmetics with the brushes. Lavish Elegance brush set, which comes in a cosmetic bag. That is cute. Oh. Yo. And I got this color because I wanted something to completely off visual sight that I could see instantly, that I knew that that was my makeup kit brushes as opposed to my own personal brushes. So that's why I got this color mainly. So these are cute. But then I got another set. Just to be traditional, if need be, if I needed more brushes. Because you always need more brushes. And these are the this BH Studio Pro set. I don't even know what these are called. This comes with a belt. Ooh, this smells new. It's got that new purchase smell. Look at these. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and a spoolie. 17 and a spoolie. Nice. Not bad. And these were $15. Probably 14 in a spoolie. Yeah. So not bad at all. So that is all of my holiday haulage. But let me show you my kit, so to speak, that I got from I'm just dropping everything. Now see, I ain't prepared. It's late. I'm tired. I'm trying to get this out. But this was the case look like. And I had to get pink. Of course I had to get pink. You know I had to get pink, right? That's what this looks like. About Brownie on. I found them on Amazon. Yes. So, and this is what the inside looks like. All my little shenanigans is in here already. I tried to do another video with an actual just inside my kit. See that you guys see more of what's in it. So, but yeah, that's what I got. It's been It's been just sitting over here waiting for me to show and tell and use. I couldn't help but use that crayon case because that was just beckoning, because all those colors I was like, I gotta use this at least once. So thank you for watching this holiday haul video, and get some sleep. I'm about to, or go to work, or go to lunch whenever you're watching this. I'll see you in my next video. Deuces and smooches.